Okay, hi everyone, we are HelloDoc. We are here to provide comprehensive AI medical training for emerging med schools and students. So first is about problem identification. I found the dilemma of emerging medical school. For example, I'm from Chinese University of Hong Kong, and our med school was developed in 2021, but our hospital will be developed in 2025. So apparently, there's a gap. And here comes the dilemma that insufficient integration of learning and clinical practice. To be specific, the first pinpoint is about insufficient academic support with poor quality education resources and lack of expertise mentors. And another pinpoint is about limited clinical practice opportunities with incomplete hospital facilities and limited cases for training. And here's the user interview. For the math students, they said they desperately need more guidance from experienced professionals, and consultation is a main part of the study, but they cannot get enough chances to practice. And for patients, they want more deep and want the doctor to delve deeper, especially in some mental health scenarios. And for med schools, they want strong reputation, but they lack experience. So here comes the solutions. We are an AI-powered medical education platform, blending expert guidance with virtual patients to offer comprehensive knowledge and practical training to emerging medical schools and students. Here's the demo. Okay, next page. So here's the core function of our product. So on the top is the journey map, and accordingly, the first function is the knowledge sharing mentorship program, and the second function is AI virtual passion training, and the third function is the social platform. So here's the first function, which is the online knowledge sharing mentorship programs. We are going to invite professors and expert doctors to upload online courses and documents and tutorials for the math students in the emerging math schools. And accordingly, we are going to provide some AI tools for the students, such as AI Q&A, AI summary, exactly matching with the PDF file and the documents. So through multi-modal image recognition, we can do the summary according to the PDF file and do the Q&A. And another function is the online knowledge sharing mentorship programs, and it's about tools of video recommendations, AI quiz, and flashcards. And at this point, we solved the first pain point, which is insufficient academic support. And the second solution is the virtual patient exercise, according to the OSCE examination, which is an examination to exercise the students' communication skills. And we are going to ask the patient data from the hospital and also find some open source medical data from GitHub, and such as the Apollo medical set. And also, we do the model testing. Comparing with GPT-4o, DeepSeek, and 文心一言, we found that GPT-4o has the best performance in terms of pretending to be a virtual patient. And also, we integrate theory and practice. We collect data from the exam to give suggestions for clinical training. In order to highlighting the urgent step you need to improve, and because this is a step-based exercise. And at this point, we solved the problem of limited clinical practice opportunities. And also, we are going to have an open source communication launch. The students can communicate with each other, and the students and teachers can communicate with each other. And we also provide open source database. And also, we provide a video about some feedback of our products. And we use the AI virtual patient technology, but I don't know why there's, there is voice.
HelloDoc has expanded my teaching reach directly.
You can, yes.
HelloDoc's virtual consultation feature has revolutionized my clinical training, especially for the OSCE exams.
Joining HelloDoc has expanded my teaching reach, directly impacting students worldwide.
Thanks to this platform, our students have seen remarkable improvements.
So let's build tomorrow's healthcare together. And that's all the presentation, and thanks for listening.